Top of the mat, bring your hands to the heart. Take a deep breath. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Maybe back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Nose to your knees. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down. Lifting your chest. Gaze forward. Exhale, left foot meet your right. Back of the mat. Downward facing dog. Breathe in. Exhale, knees down. Chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward. Cobra. Elbows can be bent. Exhale, tuck your toes in. Send the hips high. Downward facing dog. Right foot forward. Draw your left knee down. Chest lifting. Gaze forward. Exhale, left foot meet your right. Top of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale, rise, hands high. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, rise, arms high. Exhale, forward fold. Nose to your knees. Left leg back, left knee down. Chest lifting, gaze forward. Exhale, right foot meet your left. Downward facing dog. Breathe in. Breathe out, knees down. Chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward. Cobra. Gaze up. Exhale, tuck your toes in. Send the hips high. Downward facing dog. Left foot forward in between the hands. Draw your right knee down. Chest lifting. Gaze forward. Exhale, right foot meet your left. Top of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, palms to the heart. Breathe in. Breathe out.